Okay. Good evening, grade 8. I'm so sorry because we end up in our class because kanina we end up in our class with a something wrong because there's something wrong with the Schoology. So I will show you how to or where to go and how to do the test. First, you will go to the courses and click the Physical Education 8. And you will find you have to find the first quarter here. Click the first quarter. I already published the first quarter and you can see the lesson 1 folder here. I already published it also, and you have to click that. Okay, and you will see the 3 physical fitness tests that you are going to do. I already posted a sample or GIF's picture on how to do the test. Okay, then this you have to click first the step test, and you can see this is teachers Schoology. We will just going to go to the preview, but in your Schoology there's no preview there. It's already in the test or assessment. So I gave 2 attempts so that if you failed or if there's something, if you are not satisfied for your first trial or try, you have a second chance to do it again. Okay, if you are already ready to do the test, you will go into to click the start new attempt. Then it's already there. There is a question. Can you do the step test? Okay, you have to read this first. Then you only have to click the record here. Make sure that you are ready to record your fitness test. Okay, you just only have to click the record. Then it will record already your test, but I will going to stop it because then after that you will going to review. I give you time to review. You will going to check it if you want to click. Okay, then you will click the finish. Okay, that's all, and it will automatically send to the assessment or for a performance test. Okay, thank you, grade 8.